sampaikan bahwa kegiatan operasi tidak hanya dilaksanakan oleh internal rekan-rekan Polri, tapi juga melibatkan daripada instansi terkait, ada dinas pariwisata, kesehatan, dinas perhubungan, dan kemudian satpol pp baik provinsi maupun kota kabupaten. Rekan sekalian, terkait dengan dinamika ini tentunya sesuai namanya dari dinas masyarakat, tujuannya adalah yang pertama kita adalah mereduksi, yaitu tingkat kriminalitas yang ada di wilayah kita. Kenapa demikian? Karena kita tahu mana ibadah puasa kita laksanakan dengan aktivitas yang lebih baik dan agamaan. Itu adalah menjaga hubungan manusia dengan Tuhan. Kita tidak ingin bahwa kegiatan-kegiatan ini diwarnai dengan beberapa aksi-aksi yang kira-kira dapat menjadi tantangan tersebut.
Meluncur ke TKP, siap, 86.
I played it hard and fast, I had everything. I walked away, you want me then, but easy come and easy go, and it wouldn't. So anytime I bleed, you let me go. Yeah, anytime I feel, you got me, no. Anytime I see, you let me know. But the plan and see, just let me go. I'm on my knees when I'm begging, cause I don't wanna lose you. Hey, yeah, ra-da-da-da, cause I'm begging, begging you. Put your love in the hand now, baby. I'm begging, begging you. And put your love in the hand now, darling. I need you to understand. Try so hard to be your man, the kind of man you want in the end. Only then can I begin to live again. An empty shell I used to be. The shadow all my life was hanging over me. A broken man that I don't know. Won't even stand, that never stands to be my soul. Why we're chewing, why we're chasing, why the bottom, why the basement, why we got good, she don't embrace it. Why the feel for the need to replace me? You're the wrong way, trying to good. I went up in a feature town where we could be at. Like a heart in the best way, shit. You can give it away, you have, and you did the pay. But I keep walking on, keep moving the door, keep open for that the dog is yours, keep also home. Cause I don't wanna live in a broken home, girl, I'm begging. Yeah, yeah, I'm begging, begging you to put your love in the hand now, baby.